Hello IG Garage family, is your scanner showing the P2042 code? This code indicates a problem in the reductant temperature sensor circuit of the DEF AdBlue system. If this issue is ignored, the ECU cannot monitor DEF temperature properly, which can affect emission control and SCR performance. P2042 stands for Reductant Temperature Sensor Circuit. In simple terms, the ECU is not receiving a proper signal from the DEF temperature sensor that monitors the temperature of the reductant fluid. This is a common issue in diesel vehicles with SCR systems. Common symptoms include check engine light, DEF warning message, increased emissions, poor SCR efficiency, and possible limp mode in some vehicles. Now the most important part: component and sensor locations. The reductant temperature sensor is usually located inside the DEF tank or integrated with the DEF pump and sending unit assembly. The DEF tank is commonly mounted underneath the vehicle near the fuel tank or rear chassis area. The DEF pump and level sensor module are also installed on or inside the tank. The wiring harness runs from the DEF tank area to the SCR control module and ECU. For quick diagnosis, scan live data and check DEF temperature readings using an obd2 scanner. If the temperature value is unrealistic or not changing, inspect the sensor and wiring. Check connectors near the DEF tank for corrosion, moisture, or loose pins. Also inspect the DEF fluid condition and tank assembly. If the sensor fails to provide accurate data, replacement of the reductant temperature sensor or DEF module may be required. Finally, repair any wiring issues, replace the faulty sensor or DEF tank module if necessary, clear the code, and perform a full drive cycle. Fixing P2042 ensures proper DEF temperature monitoring and stable SCR emission control.